Hello everyone, welcome to VBA Advanced. This is a new series we are starting today. In this series, we are going to learn some new tricks and functions of VBA. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's see what we are going to cover in this series. So we will be talking about workbook controls, how to open, close, save workbooks through macros, through our code, what are the events, what is ActiveX controls, what are the objects, and what we will talk a little bit about object-oriented language, and then what is for each function, how to count workbooks, how to count worksheet, how to count ranges, cells, how to refer to the sheets with their name or the numbering, how to control the errors, how to control the Excel application itself, what is reference library, how it adds power to Excel so that we can use Excel beyond its capability up to the operating system level, how to take auto backups, how to create a PDF, how to create a zip file, how to refer to worksheets, active worksheets, how to change images. And there's one thing that is the arrays, right? So this is a typical programming concept. As I told you earlier, generally my audience are not IT people, so this is the whole series is for designed for non-IT people, but IT people are welcome to watch it. But I don't try to go into concept into very much technical detail. But generally, when you go and look at the code available on the net, the programmers tend to use arrays. So you need to understand what is an array and how to use it. This is a very powerful function or tool, and using data or manipulating data or playing with data, arrays make it very easy. And then we will talk about user forms. User forms are the one who will give the application look to our models, and how to protect our VBA code, and is it worth it, or is that protection is something really protected, or it's just there as a tool only. So we will talk about this, and I was in front of you. Yeah. So let me get away so you can see. Yeah. Now you can see what we are going to cover. So this is something I don't look at the other screen. So and I that's why I am generally in front of you all the time. But I will try to manage this bad habit and get away as soon as possible. And if you recall, when we started this VBA series, and that was the VBA basics, I showed you a tic-tac-toe game. So the target is to try and build that tic-tac-toe game again together. So if you recall, let me open Excel and show you what is the game all about. So if this is tic-tac-toe, and if I say new game, I'm just clicking on it, and I say first move is with me. So if I choose blue, red is Excel. If I choose blue again, Excel blocked me. What about if I block Excel? So Excel is trying to win here. So this is the clicks and a logical decision making by Excel. So this is, we are going to learn how to make Excel take decision on our behalf. So this is the introduction of VBA Advanced series. This is not advanced actually. This is the fun part actually. You are going to enjoy these tricks and tools of VBA a lot, because it's not about no more about programming. It's about the tools, the fun part of VBA. So see you next video. This is just an introductory video.